In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert PDF to Google Docs in Google Drive. If you have a PDF file that you want to turn into an editable document, Google Drive makes the process very simple. This is especially useful if you need to copy text, make changes, or reuse content from a PDF without typing everything out manually. Keep in mind that the final formatting may vary depending on how complex the original PDF is, but for most standard documents, this method works very well. Start by opening your Google Drive. Once you're on your Drive home screen, look to the top area of the page and click on New. This is where you can add files from your computer into Google Drive. From the menu that appears, choose File Upload. This will open a file browser on your device so you can locate the PDF you want to convert. Take a moment to find the correct file, then select it from your device. After you choose it, the upload will begin. Depending on the size of the PDF and your internet speed, this may take a few seconds. Once the file has finished uploading and appears in your Google Drive, find that PDF in your file list. Next to the uploaded file, click on the three dots to open more options. This menu gives you access to several actions you can take with the file. In that options menu, hover over Open With. When the submenu appears, click on Google Docs. Google Drive will then open the PDF as a Google Docs file and automatically attempt to convert the contents into editable text. After it opens, you'll be able to review the new document inside Google Docs. The text is usually editable right away, which means you can update wording, adjust formatting, and continue working with the content as needed. If your original PDF included images, tables, or unusual layouts, you may want to quickly scan through the new document and clean up any spacing or formatting differences that happened during the conversion. That's all it takes to convert a PDF into a Google Docs file using Google Drive. It's a quick and convenient way to make static documents easier to edit and reuse. If you're working with simple text-based PDFs, the results are often very accurate. For more design-heavy files, just expect a little manual adjustment afterward. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you work more efficiently in Google Drive.